Hi, it's Alexander Turnbull here from Rene of Paris and Aderans. As the senior stylist and beauty expert, what I'd like to do is I'd like to share with you some answers of some frequently asked questions. I feel that we're great at giving you hints, tips and tricks on styling hair and what to do with your wigs, but sometimes we just need to know basic questions and answers of different things with our company and different things, how to handle things. So stick with me and I hope to answer as many things as I can, and if I don't manage to answer them all, please message us and we'll answer them next time. What is the difference between Aderans and Rene of Paris? So the difference between Aderans and Rene of Paris is Aderans Hair Goods. So the difference between Aderans Hair Goods and Rene of Paris is Aderans Hair Goods is home to the collections. Of course we have Rene of Paris. We have Noriko, we have Amore, we have Orchid, we have the Alexander Couture Collection, we have Muse, we have Christine Headwear, and we have Bosley Professional Hair and Scalp, and more. What is the difference between a lace front wig and a monofilament wig? Lace front has the lace right at the front running across the forehead. So what that does, it keeps it looking really realistic. So you can pull your hair back, tie it back, and it literally looks like it's just growing out the front of your head. You also can get a lace part as well. So there could be a parting here, here, wherever it needs to be, which keeps it extremely natural. A monofilament is literally brilliant. It's hand tied. So it's hand tied, and it can sit right on the front here. Looks super natural. You can change the parting quite a lot. It's very lightweight. It's super breathable. So it keeps it feeling amazing when it's on your head and feeling and looking extremely natural. We do have a lot of other caps as well. We have machine made, which are great. They have a load of body to them. We have double drawn, we have a French drawn cap. We've got different caps to suit absolutely everybody. Do we make 100% hand-tied wig caps? The answer is yes, we do. And you can find them in our Amore catalogue. Do the wigs come in different sizes? So the answer to your question is, when you're choosing your wig, if you look inside the wig, we have adjustable straps that can be moved and pulled in and slackened off to suit you. Now if that's still not tight enough, go to a wig shop or a salon who understand wigs and they can make the adjustments for you. But generally, the one size always works and you can just adjust it just to suit you. Can you cut your own wig? So the thing is, you shouldn't really need to cut your own wig, because here at Rene of Paris and Aderans, what we do is we have the wigs cut in the most up-to-date, fashionable styles, ready to wear out the box. But should you really need to modify or change your wig, always make sure you see a licensed wig specialist. What is the difference between R and LR? Okay, so if you remember, the R stands for root. It's a rooted wig. So the R traditionally is like regrowth. So like you've got a little bit of regrowth coming through, which keeps the wig looking really natural. Generally, if you are somebody that has your hair coloured, after the first week or so, you have a bit of regrowth. So that root keeps it looking really natural. LR stands for long roots, which is really fashion forward, as modern colours have either been dip dyes or ombres or root stretches. So here at Rene of Paris, we're bang on trend, giving you the most up-to-date colours with the ombre long rooted. So the R stands for root regrowth and the LR stands for long rooted. Do we have special wigs for sensitive scalps and medical hair loss? The answer is yes. Amore is designed for sensitive skin and for hair loss, as is Fair Fashion. Do we sell wigs directly from Rene of Paris and Aderans? We sell wigs to the retailer. So if you go on our website and look for where to buy, you can find e-commerce stores or wig stores or salons in your local area, so you'll be able to find whoever is stocking what we've got on our website. Are our wigs human hair? So the answer to your question is, predominantly our wigs are synthetic fibres. So we have heat-friendly fibres which can be curled, can be straightened, can do a great number of things. We also have fibre that, you wouldn't necessarily put heat to it, but it can be straight, curly, lots of different textures, and we have a range called Fair Fashion, which is purely human hair wigs. In some of the other ranges, we do have the odd human hair piece, so look out for that, because they're really cool as well. I hope that's answered all your questions today. If you do have any other questions we've not managed to answer, please don't hesitate to direct message us. As always, subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to follow us on Instagram and all social media platforms. It's been a pleasure sharing these questions with you today. From me, Alexander Turnbull, Rene of Paris and Aderans, see you later. Bye bye.